Hello, my name is Alvin Manduru. You can call me Alvin. Transcript Part 1. Junko. Hello Junko. Mori speaking. How can I help you? Andrea. Hi Junko. It's Andrea here from Red Band. I'm calling about your last order. Junko. Everything arrived okay, right? We got the delivery confirmation at your end. Andrea, yes, everything fine with the order. I'm calling about the invoice and the payment terms. I need a favor, Junko. A favor? What do you need, Andrea? This is a little or difficult, but I need an extension on the payment terms. I know they're usually 30 days, but we're having some cash flow problems. You'd really be helping us out if you could extend it to 60 days. Junko, I'm not sure if I can do that, Andrea. We've we've got regulation at your end. And also have to manage your own cash flow, Andrea. I promise this won't become too norm. Junko, actually, I also want to place another new order, the same size order as last time. It's for an important customer and the pay on delivery. Junko, I see. So your cash flow problem will be solved after this new order is delivered. Andrea, exactly. Junko, that sounds good. Hold on, Andrea. Let me see what I can do. Yes, I think we can make an expansion this time, Andrea. That's great, Junko. I appreciate your help, Junko, and we appreciate your business, Andrea. It's work, but 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 wise, Andrea. Thanks again, Junko. Can you send me a quick email confirmation of the payment terms extension, Junko? Sure, no problem. We're happy to help you, Andrea. Great, and I'll email you the new order. Junko, thanks. I'll keep an eye out for talk to you soon, Andrea. You too. Goodbye. Transcript Part 2. Teacher. So you've got a few minutes to discuss with your partner, student 1. So, as far, far as I know, the main similarity between Mars and Earth is that they can but support human life. Student 2. Yeah, but do we know that's actually true? I mean, Mars is much colder than Earth, isn't it? It say her age about minus 55 degrees most of the time, whereas on Earth only place like Antarctica get that cold. Student 1. True, true will then I sops you could say both planets or a similar distance from the sun. Student 2. No way. I must further away. It say it's about 228 million kilometers, while Earth is about 150 million. Student 1. Yes, but in space that's not therefore Jupiter is like almost 780 million kilometer. That's why we as we use as astronaut astronomical unit when we talk about distance. Difference does sound so big when you look at in the way. Student 2. I see. What do you mean Jupiter is 5, 5.2 astronomical unit, so I guess you're right. What other similarities are there between the two planets? Student 1. Let's see. Not the color, obviously. Student 2. Yeah. Earth I call the blue planet and Mars is called the red planet for pretty obvious reasons. Student 1. Their size are pretty different. Mars is about half the size of Earth. Student 2. What about this? I like I'd look like the days on both planets are most the same like Earth's day is, but Mars is about half an hour longer. Student 1. You're right. You're right. Okay. Neither this day but share. Student 2. I suppose you could say they have water in common. Student 1. Call you how? Student 2. Well, Earth is 70% water and Mars probably had hot occurrence in the past. It's just the most of the water there now is probably frozen. Student 1. I see. I don't think we can see the air is the same though. Most of Earth air is nitrogen and oxygen, but Mars. Student 2. Mars don't really have air, not compared with Earth. Each get about 1% as much air as Earth. Student 1. Right, and it's mostly carbon dioxide. Student 2. Gravity is another difference. I did know this, but Mars has higher gravity than the moon, but It's much less than on the earth, of course. Of course. Student 1. Oh yes, it says Mars has about 38% of Earth gravity. Teacher, okay, let's see what you found. Thank you.